Out of all of the indoor playgrounds catered to toddlers that I am aware of in Northeast Florida area, Sprouts Play and Learn would have to be my favorite since it does the best job catering to a wide variety of ages as well as having the most toys stocked up to pair up with each room theme. I don't like that they don't have high chairs there. Kids Empire would be my number 2 on my ring since it's currently my kids' favorite indoor playground. The diapers only play area has a large ball pit which is low enough to not be a concern for babies. Love the dance room next to the diapers only area. Love the giant building block area in the big kid area. The sled area and the soccer playing area at the top section of the big kid structure. I don't like that you can't bring food into the eating area. Think it's weird that you can't wear grippy socks at the playground. Little Land Play and Grow is number 3 since they have a really nice baby area. The slide going down to the small ball pit in that area is nice. Love the interactive chair there as well. Thoughts some of the smaller toys in the baby area were a choking hazard. Love the smaller trampoline in the bigger kid area as well as the kitchen play toys. Don't like that they are only open from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. since it doesn't work well with my kid's schedule. The Play Factory and Cafe would be my number 4 choice. There's lots of things for kids to do there as well as lots of toys to go with the themes of each room. The smoothies there are really good. Number 5, the Little Social. Though there was a lot of things for the kids to do there, I would have liked for there to have been more toys for the kids to play with. Story time was pretty cool. The chicken salad sandwich there was terrible. Number 6, Sensory Town. Like that there was tables set up with papers for the kids to draw on. The giant slide and disco ball room was pretty cool too. Was not impressed with the rest of the playground though. Number 7, Nestling Collective. Though the wire table there was cool, I was not impressed with the rest of the playground. Number 8, Play Jungle. Though I liked the baby to 3-year-old area a lot, didn't like that the limit is 3 since Rebecca felt very overwhelmed by the big kid area and preferred to be in the baby area. I did talk to someone that works in. They said that it was okay for Rebecca to play in the baby to 3 area since she was very overwhelmed by the big kid area. So number 9, Playtown. I don't like that they got rid of their baby area. I like the small ball pits and the mini roller coaster ride. I don't like that they didn't have any high chairs nor anywhere else for babies to sit at. The enchanted cottage, would be in last place due to this place having the least amount of toys stocked up at each section of the playground out of all of the playgrounds I've been to. The only exception would be the kitchen area at the nesting collective since they had less kitchen toys stocked up there. Though it was cool that there was a pretend grill at the top of the climbing structure, there was no toys set up there for the kids to play with at the grill. The staff was the most disorganized here compared to all the other playgrounds I've been to. I brought it up to the owner that I saw online that the day I went there was supposed to be craft day. The owner said that she had the days mixed up and didn't realize that it was craft day today. She quickly got things set up for craft day. All that was there for craft day was the paper tree for kids to decorate. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe.